Once upon a time in the town of Meadowville, little Mia spent a delightful afternoon with her grandma, Nana Rose. They sat in the garden, surrounded by blooming flowers and fluttering butterflies. Mia, Nana Rose said with a twinkle in her eye, "Do you know what makes a person truly special?" Mia thought for a moment before replying.
Being honest, Nana?
Nana Rose nodded. Exactly, my dear, honesty is like a superpower. It makes our hearts light up and our relationships strong. Remember, the truth is a treasure.
As they enjoyed cookies and lemonade, Mia hesitated before sharing.
Nana, I accidentally spilled paint on the living room rug last week, and I didn't tell Mom. I was scared.
Heart, honesty is like a garden. It needs care and attention. Go tell your mom the truth. It might be tough at first, but you'll see the flowers of trust bloom.
Encouraged by Nana's words, Mia went inside and confessed to her mom. To her surprise, Mom hugged her and thanked her for being honest.
Back in the garden, Mia ran to Nana Rose, beaming.
You were right, Nana. Honesty does make everything better.
Nana Rose patted Mia's head.
Always remember, my dear, honesty is a magical seed that grows into beautiful moments and strong relationships. Now, let's celebrate with more cookies and laughter in our garden of truth.
And so, in Meadowville, Mia and Nana Rose continued to nurture their special bond, surrounded by the blossoms of honesty and the joy that grew from sharing the truth.